how to manage converted carts, emails, settings on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. First open your browser and then click settings. Now once you're here, scroll down until you find miscellaneous and then scroll down, and here you will find converted cart, emails. You can turn it off or on and save. Now just save it. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.